Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a social media feed app in sketchware. So at first I'm creating an app naming feed, and without time wasting I'm gonna show you from the first. And I'm setting to linear edge here and giving the height 520 dp, and then here I'm setting three different buttons. Here you go. Now I'm setting this gravity center, and now I'm gonna set here the button text Facebook. Here I'm setting LinkedIn, and here I'm gonna set Twitter. Here you go. Now I'm setting an web viewer. Here you see the web view. Now I am gonna find the go to the button on click. Now here set web view load URL. Web view 1 load URL http://www.facebook.com. Okay. Now button 2 on click, the same code. Web view load URL web view 1 and load URL http://www.linkedin.com. Okay. Now on the button 3 on click, set here web view load URL web view 1, and the URL is http://twitter.com. Okay. Now here I am gonna run the app. Here you see the app was run, and now I'm installing the app. Now I am turning on my Wi-Fi connection, and you see here I have already run the app. Now I am opening the app. Now if I tap Facebook, then see here Facebook has come. If I tap LinkedIn, then you see this is LinkedIn. If I tap Twitter, then here you see the Twitter has come. So thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel, and if you liked it, please like the video. Thank you.